Assalamualaikum grade 5. I am your maths teacher Varda. Students, we were doing chapter perimeter and area. So now we are moving towards the board to solve the rest of the questions. So students, we were doing exercise 8A related to perimeter and area, जिसका question number 7 है हमारे पास. Find the perimeter of the following shape. Exactly. Before starting the perimeter, we should recall कि perimeter क्या होता है. Perimeter is actually the outer boundary of any shape. अब now you can see over here in A part there is a shape given to you and the outer boundary की measurements भी आपके पास given है. Now we are with the help of this measurement we are going to find out the perimeter. First of all we are going to see कि कोई ऐसी side miss तो नहीं हो गई है. If I'm going to see the measurements, we can see 9 is given, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4. On this side of measurement is missing. So, this is a square. If this side is 4, so this side is also be 4. अब हमारे पास इस shape की सारी measurement given है. So, perimeter का क्या formula होता है? To sum up the outer boundary or the length or the sum of the length of the outer boundary. So, I am going to add them all together. I am going to start with 9 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2. So, now if you are going to add them together, 9 plus 2 will give you 11, it will give you 6, it will give you 8 and it will give you 9. अगर आप इन सब को add करेंगे, you are going to get 34 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this shape. So students, जो इसका B part है, it is also similar to that question. You are going to add all the sides and write down the answer. और perimeter का unit आपके पास होगा centimeter, not in square because perimeter is not being multiplied. They are adding it up. So now we are moving toward the next board. Students, now we are going to start with the word problems. First word problem क्या है हमारे पास? A rectangular swimming pool is 18 meter long and 9 meter wide. What is the perimeter? It's a quite easy question. They're asking you to find out the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. जो कितना long है? Which is 18 meter long and 9 meter wide. So, in a rectangle, opposite sides are same. If this is 18 meter, it should be 18 meter. If this is 9 meter, it should be 9 meter. So, with the help of this, can I put these values into the formula and find out the perimeter? Perimeter का क्या formula होता है? जो कि है rectangle का, it is 2 bracket में L plus breadth. Perimeter 2, it is 18 plus 9. So again, I'm going to add 18 plus 9 will give me 27. Now I'm going to multiply 27 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14 and 1. 2 times 2 is 4 and then I'm going to add this. So आपके पास answer क्या आ गया? 54 meter. Because the length and the breadth or the width is given to you in meter. So आपके पास unit भी meter में होगा. So this was the quite easy question. हमारे पास word problem 2 क्या है? If the dimension of a box are 8 meter and 12 meter, what is the perimeter? एक dimension है, आपको box दिया हुआ है, उसकी dimension उन्होंने बताई है कि एक 12 meter है और एक side 8 meter है. So इसकी because it's a rectangle, opposite sides will be same. हम इसी तरह ही इसको formula में डालेंगे perimeter के, which is L plus breadth. What is length over here? It's 12 plus 8 and it will give you 20 and 20 times 2 will be 40 because it's in meter, so 40 meter. So I hope that you understood the concept of finding the perimeter of a rectangle by solving these word problems. Now we are moving toward the third word problem. Question number 3. Find the perimeter of squared ground with each side of 100 meter. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास shape given है वो है square की. Square की property को recall करें. Exactly. Square में all sides are equal. So what is the perimeter? You're going to add all the sides क्योंकि square की सारी sides equal होती हैं. So that's why they have given you the length of one side which is 100 meter. So what is the perimeter of a square? Exactly, it is 4 multiplied by the length. So I'm going to put the formula. Perimeter is equals to 4L. Perimeter, what is the length given over here? It is 100. So 4 times 100 will give you 400 meter. So this is the perimeter of a squared shape. If one side is 100 meters, so all the other sides of square would be 100 meter, and even you can add them simply. You will get 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100, you will get the same answer which is 400 meter, like this. So you can solve this question with both of the methods. So now we are done with question number 3. Let's see what do we have in question number 4. Okay, question number 4 में हमारे पास है A farmer wants to put a fence around his field measuring 35 meter and 50 meter. How many meters of the fence does he require? एक farmer के पास एक field है. He wanted to put a fence around his field. उसके लिए पहले उसको find out करना पड़ेगा perimeter, क्योंकि outer boundary होगी, then he is able to find out कि कितनी measurement की उसको fence चाहिए होंगी. So उसने क्या किया? उसने अपनी ग्राउंड की या फील्ड की मेजरमेंट को फाइंड आउट कर लिया है, which is 35 meter and 50 meter. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put, this is your length and this is your breadth. So what is the formula for the perimeter? Is equals to 2 times length plus breadth. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या given है? Length is 50 and breadth is 35. अब हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. What are we going to get? 85. 85 को आप 2 times या आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 के टेबल से. What are you going to get? What is 2 times 5 will give you 10. You will carry 1 on this side. 8 times 2 or 2 times 8 will give you 16. 16 plus 1 will give you 70. So what is the perimeter of this rectangular field? It is 170 meter. So students, we are done with the word problems related to perimeter. I hope that you understood the concept of finding out the perimeter of square and rectangle with the formula. So students, keep practicing maths. Take care. Allah Hafiz.